Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I'll show you how you can change your animation speed in this device. So at the first you have to go for the settings, next go for about phone, and when you are here we have to tap a few times MIUI version. Take a look. Keep tapping, and right now we are in the developer options. So right now we have to find the developer options, so let's go back, and it will be probably right here when you go for the all specs. No, it's not here. Okay, so let's find it right like that. Tap on search field and type developer. There it is. It's on the additional settings, and next we have to scroll down until we find the window, transition and animation scale. Tap for all of them, and as you can see right now we can change it easily. Of course we are going for all of them to make it faster. And as you can see right now, the animation speed is a little bit faster. Of course, you can make it slower. Just take a look. We can go, for example, for 2x. Oh, where it was the animation scale? Am I blind? Yeah, it's here. So let's go for 5 even. And take a look at the difference. Wait a minute. Oh, as you can see right now, it's set up, so there's the difference. It's definitely slower, right? So that's how we can adjust this animation speed on the smartphone, on the Xiaomi Mi 11i. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.